Hi guys, we're the Robinson Twins. I'm Bob.
And I'm Rick. This is the introduction to our newest playlist. We have several others, but this one is called Earth is Our Spherical Home Planet, and we'll be addressing the wonders of the Earth that we live on through science and art, if that comes up, and debunking. We're finding too much science denial,
Too much science and misinformation.
and pseudoscience out there, so we were going to address some of that too. But the main thing we really want to address is the wonders of the Earth we live on. It's the home we will always have. You're born here and you'll die here, and all the matter that makes you up is from this Earth. That's why we can metaphorically call the Earth a mother.
So come with us and learn more about your home. And you know, the term ecology, the eco comes from the Greek name, the Greek word oikos, which means home.
So ecology is the study of your home, the Earth.
So let's get into it. So it was here in Sacramento that we went to college to get our bachelor's degrees, and we just had a 2-mile walk or bike ride to get to Sac State, where we went to college, the CSU Sacramento, California State University Sacramento. And we were along this river where you could see the trees and the flowers
And the ducks, and we've seen along this river beavers, muskrats, river otter, deer, and coyotes, and even, Bob saw,
sea lion just up the stream a little ways at the Watt Avenue Bridge.
good dozens of miles away from the ocean.
So it's a great nature oasis in the middle of this bustling city of Sacramento.
We're actually within the city limits of Sacramento right here, but this is what it looks like along the American River. So we love this place. It's like our home base. So after getting our bachelor's degrees, I did go on to get a Fresno, California State University of Fresno, and get a science teaching credential. And then a few years later went on and got a master's degree in education, curriculum and instruction. And for the last 25 years or so of my career, I've taught computer literacy to adults. I've taught science and math, middle school, high school, and community college level even, but for the last 20 years or so I taught computer literacy to adults. And the one thing that concerned me about science education is I asked one of my students, sometimes math or science would come up as part of my lessons on spreadsheets or databases or something like that. And I had a student tell me their recollection of science class when they went through school, high school in the 70s, was coming in, having the teacher take attendance, then he'd close the curtains and let them watch NASCAR races for the whole period. And I'm just, wow, that's shameful that was their remembrance of science classes. So I feel like I have to do something about that, and that's what we're going to go with. Part of what we do with this YouTube channel is to address basic science.
Another personal example of science disinformation and science denial that we've experienced was we were camped in Yosemite Valley at Camp 4, and next to us was a climbing party of about 4 people, maybe 5. And one of the guys got really excited about seeing that we were twins, so he wanted to take a picture with us. So he got between us, took off his jacket, had his friends take a picture of him, and what we noticed when he took his jacket off is that he was wearing a t-shirt that said NASA lies, as in like the National Aeronautics and Space Administration lies to us, which we know isn't true. So yeah, we were kind of concerned about that because there seems like there's a lot of this kind of crap going around. And then as they were leaving to go off to their whatever climb they were going to do that day, we heard one of his buddies ask him, "So when you lose your grip on the rock, what makes you fall?" Because apparently some of these science deniers think that there's no such thing as gravity. I mean, come on.
So we will be doing some debunking, but the main purpose of this playlist is to expose people, and ourselves for that matter, for all the wonders of the Earth that we live on
from a scientific perspective. We also have a number of playlists that involve nature, like nature observation, natural recreation, natural adventures, and our list about the natural rock spans called the Spanophiles files. And the word Spanophiles is a word I invented that I define as lover of natural rock spans, which we are.
which is arches and bridges.
Natural arches and bridges.
Right.
So come and join us on this playlist and check out all our other ones too while you're here.